That's us. Check out this fine gem. We're gonna be doing some maintenance on this today. I don't like that it's got the 6.4, but hey, we working on them all. Alright, we're gonna move this over so that we can get our oil gun accessibility to pump. Yep. Alright, we're backing up. Door ain't closing now. GTA Insurgent truck. Who wants to play? Meet me online later. Alright, we're gonna start with the maintenance. Gonna crack the oil filter cap loose and then exchange our fuel filters out and begin the process. Let's go, guys. Okay, got the oil filling up. 15 quarts coming up. Yeah. I'm gonna go start the fuel filter now. Oil, fuel filters, air pressures, everything up to par. Getting it back on the road for the dudes. Patriot out. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.